Good morning, children. Yesterday I sent 2 comprehension passages for you. I hope you must have done. I will soon send their answers also. In WhatsApp group, I will send the answers of those passages. And maybe in classwork also, Google Classroom also. Now, our literature syllabus is complete. All the chapters that we have to do for this session, 2 or 3 have been deleted also. So leaving the deleted chapters, whichever chapters were there in your syllabus have already been completed. 2 units from your English reader are left, sports and tolerance. We will do these also. Today we are starting 5th unit, sports. But as you know that direct questions from these units do not come in exam. And every unit of my English reader has 3-4 passages for comprehension, some exercises for writing, for listening, for speaking also. So basically the book is for enhancing your 4 skills. Okay. And in the exam, articles, speech, letter, these type of questions can be there on the basis of the themes of the units. Like this is sports unit. So here you can get a question on the basis of importance of sports for us, qualities of a good sportsman, like this. Okay, so automatically you will gather points which you require for writing those long questions when we read the comprehensions and when we do the writing tasks from the unit. See, for the introduction part, they have written some games in the left side, and the way they are played in the right side, you have to match. Do this. Then for 11th also you should do it. This is for self-assessment only. Let us come to A.1 on page number 47. Sorry, 97. Qualities of a good sports person. What type of qualities should be there in a good sports person? Physically strong, obviously. Disciplined. Then what else can be there? Should have sportsmanship. Sportsmanship is the quality which helps you to win over your competitors by making yourself better, not by cheating or by making them weak. You want to make yourself better than them instead of making them worse than you. And physically strong, mentally strong, disciplined, good communication skills, team spirit. Yes, very important, because most of the games are played in team. So if you are selfish, if you think about yourself only, you will not become a good member for the whole team. So team spirit should also be there. Emotionally you should be strong. Even if you lose, you should not become depressed. So these qualities should be there in a good sports person. Now there is a passage, Dhyan Chand the hockey wizard. This is a comprehension passage. I am telling you which questions you will be doing on the basis of this passage. Read this and do mark the questions which you will do. A4, A5, A6, A9. These are the questions you will be doing, and we will discuss these answers tomorrow. Okay, think about A7 and A8 also. There is nothing to be written here, you just think about them. Okay, and A10, A7, A8, A10, you should think about these questions. Yes, that's all. That is your homework for today. Alright, do this and we will discuss this tomorrow, but be very, very particular about your reading task. Don't think that teacher will give the answers tomorrow, so I will listen to the video and write the answers tomorrow only, because that way your reading skill will not be improved. If you really want to improve your reading skill, read it yourself and do all the questions. And for whenever you sit in future after 12th, whenever you sit in any competitive exam, reading skill is going to help. And in boards, this year board has introduced that not DAV but CBSE board, but finally you have to prepare yourself for CBSE board also. Many case studies have been introduced. So in case studies, students have to read a lot. So if your reading speed and reading skill is not good, how will you read those case studies and how will you respond to those case studies? So reading skill is must. You all must have very good reading skills. Okay, so read this and write down the answers of the questions which I gave you. Thank you.